Hi everyone, welcome at BHR headquarters. Today we will show you a new releaser that we produce at this and then we will show you how to do the maintenance on your releasers. So let's go see this right away. Hi everyone, today I present to you the vertical releaser from BHR Experts. So this model here can accept 1 pump to 3 pumps. It's already pre-drilled from factory, so we can see here that a system for 1 pump, and we can add a second one that it's already pre-drilled. One main feature of the releaser is how to remove the pump. It's very easy. It's a pitless system, so we can remove the pump, clean the inside, and just put back the pump in the pitless and ready to use. We do have another option, is the float system or with sensors. Hi folks, today I'm showing you the horizontal releaser from BHR Experts. This model comes with 1 to 4 submersible pump inside. It's pre-drilled from factory, so we can see the switch for the first pump, and we can add more and more depending the size of your releaser. All the piping is made out of stainless steel, so we can see here stainless steel up to the pump inside. Everything is made out of stainless steel. The releaser can be installed straight on your tank or on the ground. It's very easy for flat land, so the level is very low. So flat land, it's the perfect releaser to be used. So the options that we have on this model is the sprinkler. So there's 2 heads for sprinkler, so it's very easy to wash inside, and it's during the season. You don't have to remove anything, just open the valve so the sprinkler can wash the windows. So using the same sap in your releaser. Hi, here are the 2 pumps that we use in our releaser. One with the pitless that goes in a vertical releaser, and this one with a clamp system that goes on the horizontal system. 2 things to remember is to make sure to wash the grid that we have here very clean, and there's a little hole here inside. Make sure that it's always clean. Same on this one, make sure it's clean and make sure the hole is clear as well. There's no debris inside. Hi everyone, I'm here at BHR Office Expert to show you the brand new releaser, the 1842. It's a double 1842 releaser. Comes with 2 to 4 pump, submersible pump. That it's installed with the pitless system, so it's very easy to remove them to wash and put it back inside without any screw to remove. Comes with 2 4-inch exit, avoiding any jam of ice in your releaser. Comes with full stainless washing system. The sprinkler piping is all made out of stainless steel with clamp, very easy to remove, wash and reinstall. Same thing with the frame, it's full stainless frame. A good feature on that new releaser is all the piping for the washing system can be installed on this side or the other side as well, depending how we are installed in the sugar house. We can put on one side or the other, same as the submersible pump that can be exit on this side or can be placed on the other side. So it's a double-sided releaser, depending how we're installed inside of your sugar house. The option on that releaser is the alternance on your submersible pump. So on a big day, both pump will be pumping, and with that system, what it does on a slow day that it doesn't have that much sap, you don't want to have only one pump running because the other one's going to be full of dead sap, and you don't want to create dead sap in your releaser. So that system will allow to start one pump to the other in alternance. So avoiding any dead sap in your releaser. Hi, I'm showing you the reverse slope from BHR Expert. That reverse slope goes from 300 taps to up to 2500. We do have a system on it called CV, so continuous vacuum. So we want to fit your vacuum on your main line, so we won't have a step back inside of your main line. How does it work is when the sap is full here, the sap will go up your line and the air will remain in the manifold in the back here. And as soon as the sap is gone, so the system will step back and work again. We do need two lines, the air intake from the top, and here is the sap flow that goes up to your main line. At the end of the day, when the day is over, so you stop the vacuum system and all the air will go out, and as soon as the air is gone, everything's gonna come out. So what froze inside of your system, all the sap will come out on the floor. So we will show you how to clean your mechanical releaser, and it has to be done every year to get the best result of your releaser. So the tools that we will need is a key 3/8, a key 7/16, bare plier. We need oil, we need grapefruit grease, and alcohol. So first we will turn around the head. So we're gonna start washing the back of your releaser. By using 7/16 and 3/8 keys, we will unscrew the cylinder, remove the 5/16 tubing. With a plier, we remove the counter pin, remove the pin. Now the cylinder has to be unscrewed. Remove the cylinder. Now move the hexagonal with alcohol, clean up the base of it. Remove all the grease or the dust that we can find there. Now we will apply a new one all around. And then we're gonna make sure that everything's slides properly. There's no debris, no screws, untight screws that can affect. And make sure that if there's air in between the plate and between both plates, that the screw that we're showing there has to be tightened with a screwdriver. So now it's time to open the cylinder and to wash the inside of your cylinder. A bit of alcohol. Now the U-cup has to be washed again. Remove the dirt on it and all the old grease. Make sure there are no damage. We will apply again there a bit of grease. So we will reassemble the cylinder. We will put it back in place. And we will put it back in position. So we're gonna be able to put back the pin, and then the counter pin. We have to use the bolt keys to tighten it back. Make sure it is properly tightened. Now we have to reinstall both 5/16 and make sure we have to flip the 5/16. The one that is on the right side has to go on the left side, and the one on the left side has to go on the right side. So we're gonna flip the head back in the original position, and we wash the triangle area. We have to wash the triangle area. With a 7/16 key, untight the bolt there. We will remove the bolt. Remove the 5/16. Now that we have the triangle, the gray part has to be washed properly. Now that it's clean, we need to put, well, we have to wash the triangle as well, sorry. We will put new grease. Make sure you won't put any grease inside of the small holes in the middle. It has to be clear. So we will put back the triangle in position. First the screw, then bolt hook on both sides. And then finish to screw the middle screw. Then put back the nut in the back there by using the 7/16 key. Make sure it's tight, and then put back the 5/16 in its place. And then bolt rod, add a bit of oil, just 1 or 2 drops on both sides to make sure the mechanism works properly. Then when it's done, the season is over, you just close the clip and you're ready for the next season. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, please call directly the office or one of our dealers. Thank you.